can see a baby bird. Look. Yeah. He's flapping. He's flapping. He's flapping. He's practicing.
I can see.
Oh. Ayan, ako nga.
Oh, no.
Look!
Wow.
I'm gonna hold on. But I'm just gonna try to grab him. Also, we're gonna try to feed him.
Galing ah. Nakain niya
I'm
yun.
just gonna put multiple.
It's gonna be a big one.
Already eating like they're eating.
Ang galing ah. Lumapit na yung isa.
One of them are good.
Wow!
There's more. Since the other one did not eat. Look. They're gonna try to eat. They're just gonna poke through holes. Did you saw it? Did you saw it?
Did you see?
Did you see it?
What?
One of the birds just like grabbed it for a second. Look. You're just bullying me.
No, I'm not bullying you. Galing ah. Mas maganda pala dyan nakalagay yung ano eh.
Dito yan.
Yung cage eh.
Mapid na niya.
Let me put the camera inside.
I think they're gonna pick one. Ako nga. Hey, just look. Alright, I'm gonna grab something. Okay, grab the leaf. Yeah. How are you recording it?
Look at the...
Hold on, give me, hold on. I need to grab this phone. Baka sila mga tayo. I'm gonna prank one of them. I'm gonna prank. Okay, hold the camera. I'm gonna prank one of them. Got him. Whoa! Look.
Tingnan mo na.
Are you gonna eat? Are you hungry?
Ayaw mo sila. Just leave the camera right there.
Come here. No. Come here. Come here. He's just looking at us. He looks so confused. Can you turn on comments? I'm gonna ask, do you think it's cute? Leave it in the comments. Do you think the baby bird is cute? Leave it on the comments, okay?
Comment.
Natatakot ako.
Uy, baka makalabas.
Hindi yan lalabas, mga papatay siya.
Mamamatay siya.
Maybe you should just like move it. This video will get demonetized.
Oh, look at them.